Unity Parkside is our sixth development here in Kenya. Its location is really unique. It's immediately adjacent to a 100-acre conservancy, so the views from Unity Parkside will look directly onto this conservation area.
Our vision from day one was to create a residential community that is deeply connected to nature.
If you look at properties next to parks in all the major cities in the world, the value of those properties is often 2 or 3 times properties which are just a few rows away from the park.
Parkside residences are very rare in the world and even rarer in Kenya. We have one in Tatu City.
The things I really love about Unity Parkside, about half the estate is courtyards, parks, boulevards. You really feel in touch with nature.
How we've achieved that is by ensuring that each block has direct access to a green space. We wanted to bring the green parks that we normally have outside the estates into the estate.
When you look at the facades of the buildings, it really is world-class modern architecture. But then at the same time, when you go into these apartments, this really is a step up from anything we've ever done before.
It's the first Unity Homes project whereby we have distinct 2- and 3-bedroom blocks on site.
So we've tried very hard in this estate to move away from the uniformity that we've done before and create something which feels much more like a small town in itself.
The neighborhood feels alive and it's a connected community.
When we talk about real estate, we talk about location, 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 and that implies to your investments too.
This is a very unique kind of development by Unity Homes. We are very excited to break ground and to see it come to life.
Unity Parkside gives people an opportunity to invest in an early stage at a really very affordable price. And in 10 or 15 years' time, these properties will be absolutely unique. And there will be just a handful of these properties of this quality in these sort of locations.